This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Big apology, I'm doing this session after a long time. I was a bit busy with my work, and during this period, we have seen somewhat 300-400 points up move in Nifty, and the trend is quite robust, and there are a lot of trading opportunity for traders. And I believe tomorrow is going to be a bit volatile day, though we are standing at peak, but there are quite full opportunities which we can trade and make intraday bets. So somehow, as usual, we are going to start with Nifty. So considering the up move, uh, let's check how it looks on a daily chart. So, so this is what we have broken out, and this is the area wherein I have posted on the charts that something which clicks above 10,920 will give us a good move. And this is where we spend a lot of time, and this area and this red point, this is where I bought personally, and I posted again in the groups. So I think this move will somewhat resist at 11,370 or 75 zone. So saying so, 11,252 stands as a good support zone. I was just checking on hourly chart pattern that if somebody has to enter, then what is the point of that entry? So probably tomorrow we may hit somewhere, you know, on this trend line, and which is 266, but it can actually come down to 252 even. So you can consider this as 250 as a base. So any trade between 252 to 260 can be taken, and you can see that we have a small gap between 11,209 and 11,185. So I believe that this trend is strong enough to carry another 100 points move. So, considering that, if you get that buying opportunity, you can trade long. You can play in options as well. Though OI has significantly increased for 11,500, 11,400 calls. But I believe the first half it's going to be bit consolidation, and once we consolidate and break above this channel, I think it's a good opportunity to enter. So if somebody wants to play safe, so don't want to jump early in the morning, then let the candles consolidate between this parallel channel and breaking above the channel high would give us a move of 70 to 75 points. So Nifty a strong move, and it seems as if sectors are participating well. We have seen a rally in public sector banks, and I think they have formed a good base. And any dip, say any dip of Canara Bank, you get an opportunity to enter 262, 264. You can play for 294. That's a swing trade, which I've been looking for. And Bank of Baroda looks very good. Any swing low which takes gives us an opportunity to enter at 127, 128. It's a good buying opportunity. You can trade at 244. So considering this, I believe Nifty is going to be in a consolidation phase, and we have a lot of trades which will give us some 5, 7, 8% move uh, in coming week. So most of the things, say you know, Kotak Bank, you take it ITC. So although they have shown their move, they have made a bit reversal at the bottom, but they will certainly participate to support the Nifty on high end. So large caps are corrected and showing a short-term reversal. PSU have started participating, has given a strong base, and we have seen the results of Federal Bank, we have seen results of Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda. So everything is reversing at this point in time. So I think there is more leg to go forward. So we will see, which sector will rotate now. Either it's going to be pharmaceutical or ITs at present it's consolidating. So probably this consolidation will end soon, and then we will break for new high. So IT has more strength going forward. So you can look into IT as well. So the idea at this point is to understand that this is the area of consolidation. So we have made 11,100 as a base now, and on high end we have 11,400. So maybe we're going to spend some time, a month or two again, and then let's see if we have elections going forward, state elections coming. So whether we are reversing from this top, okay, is this is a false move. So probably we have 1 month to prove it. So considering my statement, what I'm trying to say here is, so if I'm taking a monthly overview, we have previous high of 11,000, right? 11,165 or something. Now we've broken out. Now, the idea is that if this monthly candle for this whole August series stays above and close, it gives us a very good, strong closing, and then we may, extend our rally. But what if we are not closing August series, above the previous high, so which is 11,170 or so, then we may see that if it is a kind of a fake breakout, and we need to check on volumes. If volumes are attractive, then we might take a call. If volumes are low, then we may consider this again. It's a fake breakout. So the idea is that we have some 70, 80 points to move on a Nifty on upside. So whether we sustain that 70, 80 points move, whether we have new stocks to participate. So we have a few results, State Bank, another big companies to post their results. So we have a few more results coming. So looking at the whole result season as of now, things look good. So it's not something that we should something worry about. So idea is that we are going to stay in range for August series, and we are closely tracking that whether this month's candle is closing above 375. if it is not closing about 375 or it is not closing about 11,170, then we will see, if we have some shorting opportunities. So mid caps have already corrected to the tune of 40% from the top, and they're showing some first sign of reversal. So whether it is just a bounce and they may correct more, or whether this time along mid cap and large cap will participate together to fall, or we may find good companies, good large caps to continue their strength towards new high. So we need to see that. As of now, we have traded a band from 10,900 to 11,375, or approximately 11,400. So we need to see that. So considering the stable move this month in August series in Nifty, what we will plan is, we will check the stocks which have given a good reversal from the bottom and which are ready to actually give us a